Tonight we're gonna do seeing if I could get Robux at Roblox Live. Yeah. Okay. Uh, Good, my boy. Oh my god. Oh my god.
I'm not
Ooh,
a scammer.
you have expensive passes there, my boy.
Yung chicken
Original
zombie.
pricing.
Okay, pero donate muna.
That's
Promise, hindi
original
ito scam.
pricing there.
Promise. Mamatay man ako, please. Scam.
I'll give you 4. I said last 4, so no people will beg from me because I don't have Robux anymore. I'm trying to save up for something, bro. NP, no problem, bro. No problem.
Bro, you just scam.
Goody, chat with Goody.
You're so poor. You got skunk. You got skunk.
Goody.
Sorry for seeing that.
Why are you first sending these faces
Oh.
to me, bro?
Bro, why did you do that?
Look at these faces, bro. This is reminds me of one
Why
of
did you
these.
do that? Bro, why did you do that? The head stop. Why did you do that? I think
No.
Bro. Hi, did you do it? Bro.
What do you think? What I like?
No, not. Balik ka dyan. Dyan.
Okay, let's do.
Dyan. Balik ka.
I gotta play some rules. First, you wanna
Balik
play
ka ba?
down. No, that's never gonna be it. That will not be it. Absolutely not. Let's see. Why do you have unseen notifications on?
No. It's
XD, what's so funny about this, huh? Okay, we are as well. 50-50.
oh my god, we're actually getting donated.
Oh yeah, so also. Video fantastic pasito. May lambot.
We're actually getting donated right now, bro. We got how many donates from her? 10. 10. Yes, 10. 10 exactly. Oh my god, I don't have Robux anymore.
Let's go, we have 30 boosts.